So okay guys, we find this little place here for being 145, and then maybe we go around. Let's give a look at this from the front because it is actually very beautiful. Oh, look how beautiful. Wow. Right, okay guys, and after having done breakfast here, we're leaving the hotel and we proceed south to Kuala Terengganu. Okay. So let's go. It looks kind of fresh this morning, not too hot. It's a nice fresh day, cloudy, looks like it wants to rain actually too. And let's see here, where are we going? I think we can go here on the side, because we are going this way. Let's see. And here we go. We're gonna try to stay on the coast, so not take the main highway. I think not so nice, the main highway, so we're gonna stay here on the coast and the most that we can, and hopefully we can see something nice, something beautiful. But for now, let's start going. Let's go, and I'll see you later. So, and here now we are on the coast, beach is there. So let's see what we're gonna see from now on. We're gonna be all on the coast like this, going down all the way to Terengganu. Hopefully we can see something nice, some beautiful spots. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at, I love Kota Bharu. Kota Bharu. Very nice. Made of cement. But anyway, look at this, how beautiful is this? Very nice. So I was saying, we have lots of nature here, but there's lots of construction too on the side of the beach. And I guess Malaysia loves privatization of the beach. So not many places where to go really to go to the beach. Not many entrances. It's it's all construction, and so not much where to go really to go to the beach. I don't know. We'll see. But in no country I have seen that the beach can be privatized. Supposedly it's public, no? The beach. But I guess not in Malaysia. Malaysia they can privatize. It's so they build all these houses, so you have nowhere where to go, practically. To go in or anything. So yeah, we are driving on the side of the beach, on the side of the coast, but with not seeing very much nothing because it's all construction, it's all houses. All the way to now we have seen only houses and barely maybe see a little bit of ocean between the three, that's all. So we are going down, we are here on the coast. I don't know, it's a little bit more traffic than I was thinking. I'm like kind of like used in Thailand where you go on the coast, the road on the coast are usually not so busy like here. I did not took the highway that they have in purpose and come here on the coast thinking that it will be less busy, but it is very busy actually. Very much trucks, a lot of trucks actually. So okay guys, we find this little place here. It is private because he has all the con here. It's a nice restaurant here if you want to eat. And yeah, this is I will take a dip here in this. It looks nice and clean actually. I will take a nice dip. Let's see if we can find any place here one of these days, somewhere on the beach, a hotel, so we can take a nice dip. So Vanita, what do you think?
The beach is nice, but everywhere is closed because we cannot go anywhere. It's a private everywhere. I never see something like that on the beach. Look like that. Nothing but closed, cannot go. In Thailand, not like this. They have small street, you can go to the beach. But here, no, cannot. Everything is private.
Yeah. Well, what do you want to do?
You cannot do anything.
Right?
Rice.
Okay, rice. No, I don't want rice. I eat already breakfast, thank you.
No, not that mean. It mean rice.
It means rice, yeah. You want white rice, brown rice? I know what you mean, right. But you have an accent that is very beautiful. Rice.
Yes, it's rice.
No, it's not rice, it's right. Right?
Yes, rice.
Rice, okay. All right, okay, I take a portion of brown rice.
Oh, very hard.
Very hard. Your tongue doesn't go that way.
Go that way.
Your tongue is not going that way.
No, I want them to go the way what I want, but no go.
It doesn't go. Yeah. Goes only to the left instead of the right. It's very nice. Okay. You dress good, right? Yeah. Wow, look at this. This is a replica of many mosques in the world, all around the world. I think you can go in and visit all this. Look at this beautiful mosque. Look at this, it's so beautiful. Hello. Very, very beautiful. Look at this. So this is the Crystal Mosque. It doesn't say don't go in. Let me see. Let me see what they say. This is very beautiful. This is one of the most beautiful mosques in Malaysia. And so let's say what you see here. VIP room, something like that. Prayer room, men's toilet, women's toilet. Please take Juban here. Oh, you have to wear the thing on your head. Not allowed. You see? This is all not allowed, that is allowed. Please take Juba here. We cannot go in because they are praying now.
We can go around here.
I think we can go around here. I think we can go here. Yeah, we can. Very, 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 very beautiful. So we cannot go in because you have to be Muslim to go in this moment. For non-Muslim, they have the time when you can go in, and it's at 1:45 p.m. So let's see if we wait here around a little bit for being 1:45, and then maybe we go around and see. But this is really, 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 really beautiful. Should have to see at night how is. I think at night with all the light it should be very beautiful. And this is the view that you have here. Here you have some boat, and here I don't know what you have. It's, oh, this is another mosque here. And then you have all this park here. You can sit down, relax, I guess.
Now here we have to buy the ticket to go inside. It's 25 ringgit for one person.
Italy. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. And here we go.
Wait, I take you. You want to come with me? Actually, them work normally, but can have to go with 2 people. You want to come?
No.
Actually, them working, but
Yeah, I know it's working. Stop, where are you going? You got to park him anyway there. So this is a miniature of a mosque. Let's see if in the front has a paper or something that says. Now this is nice at night too, because they have nice light. You see, that's, I think, is what they pray. Oh, this nice wind is very nice. You see? Very, very, very nice. They should have paper in the front like saying what is, but okay.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, can you see that?
Because them say hi to me before.
I don't know if you can see him with the GoPro there. I will zoom in and zoom out. Okay, let's go. That's what, a gecko?
Now the lizards,
Oh, that's a lizard.
like the lizards.
Like a lizard. It's gonna be one of that gonna be giant and want to eat you?
No, this not.
No. This not. Okay, here you have another.
But very no see the paper on phone or nothing. Don't know what.
Yeah, it is here, but it's all in Arabic and I cannot understand, to be honest. But yeah, this is nice. Let's go around. Again, these two. Ah, you see here.
This is a Masayistan from Patani. Them writing on Thai there.
Oh, that's in Thai?
Yeah.
Oh, so that is what, from Patani?
From Patani.
Oh, so this is a mosque in Patani. Oh, okay. Very nice. And here, there we have another. Let's see if we pass after, but for now we go here. Look how beautiful is this.
Wow, this one.
Very nice. Busora Street. This is toilet. Okay.
Wow.
Look how beautiful is this. Very, very, very nice. And look at that. Very nice, huh?
Yeah, look really nice. Never see like this before.
And look at here. Here you have more. This is another. Yeah, this is bigger. Very nice. Here we have another. And this is Pakistan. Okay, I understood that. Yes, Masjid Badai, Pakistan. So this is the one in Pakistan. Yeah. The Bati Mosque is the largest mosque in the world of its own kind. The mosque of the victorious and valiant King Mu'ud-Din Muhammad al-Maghir, constructed and completed under the superintendence of the temple servant. Built in 1673 for Emperor Arzuga al-Mai. Okay. And this is a picture that you can see from the actual mosque. And look how the people there praying inside. Yeah. Okay. So let's go to the next. So this you go in here, and the inside you see is all this huge, let's say, place they're in, where all the people that are praying there that you see in the picture. That's very nice. Let's see if we can pass from here, or we need to pass the other way. Look how beautiful is this. This is very beautiful. Huh? In some of this you can go in, but I don't know what time and if they have time, but some you can go in. but cannot take camera in, so this is beautiful. Very, 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 very beautiful.
Normally we can go up.
I think can go up from here. And here we are. Look at this. No entry.
It's really nice.
Yes. And look at that. We're not gonna go there because that's actually another place. That's outside. But look at that. That's beautiful. Oh, that's the entrance. That's the entrance where we come in. Okay. Let's go. I guess this is another mosque. Oh, this is in Iraq. This is Masjid Basar Samara, Iraq. Samara yang Iraq. This is how it looks actually. You can see the picture, how it actually looks. And here they made the replica. Very, very, very nice. Okay, let's go see that now. Let's go see this. Oh, there is another beautiful, very beautiful. So let's see where is this from. This is Masjid Sheikh Lutfallah, Iran. So this is from Iran. This is how it actually is. And these are the picture. And this is how it looks. Very, 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 very beautiful. Huh? Look at this. Look. This is very beautiful too. Okay, let's go here and let's see. This is Afghanistan. So this is in Afghanistan. And this is Kawai Abu Nassar Parsa Mausoleum, Balkh, Afghanistan. This is how it is. Let's go around. Very nice, very nice. And you see? And this is the back of the mosque. But this is Syria, Aleppo, Kubu, Kota, Aleppo in Syria. This is a temple in Syria, and that's how it looks. It looks big and looks like it's on top of a mountain. So very nice, very nice. Okay. And here we have this nice architecture, these two. And this is Komed Ali Mosque, Caher Messir. In Cairo. Oh, okay, so this is in Cairo, Egypt. This is a mosque in Egypt. Very nice. Let's go looking from here. Looking from the front. Very, 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 very nice. So this is with all the, let's see, where is this from? See if we can see the paper. Yes, here is the paper. And this looks very nice too. And this is Masjid Nabawi, Medina, Arab Saudi. So this is in Saudi Arabia. Is this very nice? Oh, Suleiman Mosque, Turkey. This is beautiful, huh? Actually. This is very nice. And here we're gonna have a view from the entrance. Look how beautiful is this. I'm gonna give you another look. And this is the Great Mosque Al Kirwan in Tunisia. The Great Mosque of Quirvana was built in 670. So this is a very old mosque, but we're going to see this after. Let's give a look at this from the front because it is actually very beautiful. The architecture is really beautiful.
This is the most beautiful modern anyone we see.
Yes, this is one of the most beautiful. So this is the Great Mosque of Tunisia, but I don't know where is, if that's the entrance or let's go. Just let's go look around, have inside, but I don't know if we can see. But let's go around. The weather is keeping good, huh?
Yeah.
I thought it would rain because some drizzle come down, but at the end, yeah, no entrance, no cannot see inside. Okay, let's go this way. I don't know if this is the last one. Okay, here is in Arabic, so we have to go in. No, there you have another. I don't know that one. But this, let's see what it says here. So this is in Uzbekistan, Kelian Minaret, Uzbekistan. The minaret was built in 1127 by Arslan Khan and called the Kalian, Great Minaret. And this is how it actually looks. And let's go a little bit more far away so that you can see, because it's like a tower and it's like tall. So if we go from here, you can actually see how it goes up like that. Okay, so here is Vanida. So Vanida, what do you think about what we just see? Did you like? What do you think?
I'm like that because I've never ever see something like this before. It's everything look really, really nice. Really nice here.
From all over the world, practically. Yeah. Yeah, from many countries over the world. Yeah. So it was very nice. Yeah, it was worth to come here and walk and do all this walk,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So guys, the ticket, let's walk a little bit so we can go back to the bike. So guys, the ticket to come in is 25 Malaysian ringgit, 25 ringgit per person. And you can come in. You have some bikes here. I think you can take the bike and go around with the bike. We prefer walking, of course, because I want to take video and show you everything. So anyway, now we are going back. We're gonna go back to the bike and we're gonna be heading to the hotel. We found a hotel here and we booked 2 rooms. So, oh, here is another. Oh, let me show you this now very quick before we go. This is the last actually. All right guys, so this is the last of the miniature mosque, and this is the Kul Sharif Mosque in Kazan, Russia. Okay, so let's look this. This is the Sharif Mosque of Kazan. And it looks actually very nice too. All this stair going on the side up. Looks very nice. It is very nice. All right, okay, guys. Now, yes, this was the last. Now we going out and we're gonna go to the bike. Okay, guys, that was not the last, because in front of the door where we're going out, it's this. And this is the Masjid Besar Xian, China. And this is a mosque with Chinese architecture, how you can see, built in the Ming Dynasty. Very, 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 very beautiful, huh? Have to see how they can integrate the architecture on this. Very nice. Oh, look how beautiful.
Wow!
That is. So hello. So here we are in the hotel. Let me show you the room. So first I'm going to show you the toilet. So sink, 2 glasses. We have a hair dryer. We have shampoo and conditioner, shampoo and conditioner, shampoo and conditioner. We have a soap, and we have a shower cap. So they give you 3 shampoo and conditioner, but only 1 soap. Well, okay. Toilet is here. This is the shower. Nice big shower. Looks okay, looks good. I'm gonna put you the price underneath like always. Let me see here. You know, a long time that I'm not try this, because this is different. Oh yes, yes, good power. So, yes, it's good. Nice. And then here you have this, so you can put some luggage. Big bed. I think it's a king bed. It has 2 nightstand with the light. Then we have a TV here. Then we have a desk here with the chair, a refrigerator, 2 bottles of water, and this is actually very good. The last 2 hotels had no refrigerator and no coffee maker, so this is really a very upgraded room. 2 cup, 2 mug, a little chair here, a little sofa, couch, I don't know how you want to call them, with a little table on the side. The view is, well, the city. It's not a beautiful view, but okay. It's part of the city that we see here. And, here we have this big closet that did not show you. Yes, so here we have this closet, and you have a ironing board, some hanger, so it's very good. Looks very good, this room. Let me close here. Okay, so we close. Looks very good. All right, okay, guys. Okay, you cannot see me because the light is from outside. Sorry. So, okay, now you should be able to see me. So, what to tell you about the trip of today? It was a good trip, really. It was okay. I took a secondary road all on the coast, a coastal road, thinking that it had really much less traffic than the highway, but big mistake, because it was a lot of trucks and lots of traffic anyway. So that was the first. The second, little bit unpleasant, let's say, surprise was that even being on the coast, we actually could stop only in 2 places in this 200 kilometer ride here, only 2 places really where we could stop, because the rest is just all private and it's no way to go to the beach. So I don't know, I guess it is what it is. Each country has its own rules. This is the first really country that I found in the world, wherever I have traveled, that actually can privatize the beach. Usually you cannot. The beach is public. It should be from the public. Any person should be able to access. But okay. Anyway, it is okay. So the street had not so much really to see, so I did not record so much. Very short recording. But at the end, when we got here, we stopped at the Crystal Mosque. It was just gorgeous. I mean, beautiful architecture, very beautiful. And then we went and we visited in all the miniature mosque that from around the world, and that was beautiful too. And then I wanted to pass on top of this bridge. It was nothing particularly at the end. After I passed, I just like kind of smiled a little bit, like, okay, not so much. But I wanted to pass because everybody talks about this bridge. So I wanted to pass and see how it is. And so now here we are. Tomorrow we're going to go south. Let's see where we're going to go. We're going to plan later a little bit where to go, what route to do. Hopefully again secondary route, hopefully again on the coast, because I want to go south on the coast really, not go inland. So let's see where this is going to be. Anyway, I hope you like this video. If you like, please push a thumb up, and if you would like, subscribe. You're going to help me very much. All right, okay. Bye. See you in my next video.